Welcome back to G-Shotoutdoors. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of my new shotgun. It's the VRPA40. It's made by Rock Island Arms. So let's get started. You can see here, that's what comes in the box. Of course it doesn't come loaded. It comes with two 5-round magazines. And of course the kit of chokes. So now we're going to take it out of the box. You can see right here, got several different chokes. Well, I say several. There's two others other than the one that's in there. Of course your bolt stop for safety and your choke key. All comes in this little pouch right here. Set that over to the side. And as I said, we got two 5-round magazines. Of course they don't come preloaded. I've already loaded them, but nice little magazine. Now of course they do have options for this in 9-round and 19-round, and there's also a 21-round drum. I looked on their website because I really wanted to get it, but it was out of stock and I could not find it anywhere else. So hopefully they're going to notify me when it comes back in stock. So as you can see here, it won't slide back. You've got a little lever here that you have to press. It's a bolt lock. Or pull the trigger. All right, so as I was saying, I didn't see a lot of this on YouTube. Of course, I saw plenty of videos of people shooting them, but there were very little of disassembly and reassembly. So I wanted to take this time to show you how this thing comes apart. If you will flip it over, you'll see this pin on the back that you can press. But first, you have to pull the bolt back just a little, or the action, whatever you want to call it. Press that pin in. It's very similar to an AR-15. And you flip it back over, pull that pin out, and there's your lower. You flip it around, look right here, you unscrew this cap. Of course this tube has nothing. It's just an empty tube for the pump to slide on, because it's magazine fed. So this is just a hollow empty tube. It's hollow, goes all the way through. All right, so now you have to pull the barrel. If you get a good grasp on the barrel, good grasp on the back end, pull this. Woo! There it is. There is your barrel. Okay, so you got your lower, your barrel, your cap, and last but not least, it's already halfway off, your bolt. And that's about as basic as that goes. Of course, you can take the stock off, you can take the side off, stuff like that. But for cleaning purposes, this is about as far down as you want to break it. And this just comes right out of there, and that slides right off of there. So there you have it. It is the Rock Island Armory VRPA40 Disassembly, and now we're going to reassemble. So simple as that. Put it back together just like it came apart. Slide that on there. Put this back on the pump handle. And this is important. Whenever you're putting the barrel in, you've got to pull your pump handle out just a little. So you can take your barrel, you line it up. Now it has to be, the pump handle has to be right about here, because it has to go behind or in front of this to where the barrel, the large part of the barrel, can go behind the pump handle. You line up your slide tube with the barrel loop, pull it into place, and we put our cap back on. And last but not least, put your lower back on. And there you go. It's the VRPA40. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And like I said, I just wanted to make a video, a decent video on how to break it down, put it back together. As for shooting, that's going to come in a later video, so make sure you subscribe to come check it out. So, that's it for tonight. We love you, and we'll catch you on the flip side.